Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. And today I am going to discuss about the Rape of Lock, which is written by Alexander Pope. And Alexander Pope is the poet of 18th century. He is a true representative of his century. The age of Pope is also called classical age as well satirical age. And Alexander Pope was born on May 21, 1688 in London, and he won great acclaim as a representative of 18th century. And the very title of this story is taken from the real story of Arbella Fermor and Lord Peter. A quarrel has arisen between two families of Miss Arbella Fermor and that of Lord Peter on the trifling occasion of his having cut off a lock of her hair. मतलब अरबेला का जो बाल की लट जो है वो पीटर ने काट ली और वहीं से एक माइनर से एक ट्राइवल से इंसिडेंट पर इन दोनों फैमिलीज़ के दरमियान लड़ाई शुरू हो गई। अब जो है अलेक्जेंडर पोप का दोस्त जो था मिस्टर कैरल, वन ऑफ द फ्रेंड एंड पोप्स, laid the matter before the poet and asked him to compose a story in a very and amusing way. So he has composed this poem, and the way he has presented this poem, the way he has discussed the society of London in 18th century, that is a very true contribution of Alexander Pope. In the mock heroic style, Pope invokes the muse to help him to sing of how trivial circumstances arising from love affair led to serious consequences. Means that कि किस तरह एक माइनर सा इंसिडेंट जो है वो बहुत बड़ी लड़ाई का बाइस बनता है। In Canto 1, the very first line shows the theme of this poem. What dire offense from amorous causes spring, what might contents rise from trivial things? I sing this verse to Carol Muse's due. Slight is the subject, but not so the praise. अब यहाँ पर अलेक्जेंडर पोप जो है अपनी मेन जो है थीम के बारे में बता रहा है कि मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि इस पोम में किस तरह सम टाइम लव अफेयर यानी कि वो क्या करते हैं, दे काज ग्रेट ऑफेंस एंड ट्रिफलिंग इंसिडेंट लेड टू सीरियस क्वारल्स। ओ म्यूज दिस पोम इज़ रिटन एट द सजेशन ऑफ कैरल, यानी कि ये जो है पोम जो है अलेक्जेंडर पोप ने अपने फ्रेंड जो है जॉन कैरल के कहने पर कंपोज की। और द सब्जेक्ट ऑफ दिस पोम इज़ नो डाउट इज़ अ ट्रिफलिंग वन, बट इट मे जस्टली विन ग्रेट प्रेज, लेकिन इसको बहुत ज़्यादा पजीराई मिली। इन द वेरी बिगनिंग we see the central character of Belinda, whose lock of hair was cut out at social gathering by Lord Baron. Belinda was shocked and tussle started in the shape of a beautiful poem, The Rape of Lock. In this poem, a great social style over the fashionable society of London, and all the men and women, they are truly representing the London society of 18th century. Baron represent the aristocratic gentleman of that age, and it introduces us to a world of fashion which was busy with its player. The poet mocked and satirized. The poet, the poet mocked and satirized London fashionable society. Belinda is hypocrite, double-faced lady. She gives much importance to fashion, beauty, charms rather than Bible, as well moral and ethical values. These players, these people will always involve in players. These players were petty, frivolous, dressing, flirting, card playing, driving in Hyde Park, visiting theatre, and writing love letter. We see Belinda sleeping until noon and dreaming of young lovers. Her lap dog shook awaken her with a lick. मीन्स डैड का बेलिंदा जो है सारा दिन यानी कि वो पार्टीज़ में इन्वॉल्व रहती थी और रात को देर से सोती थी और सुबह को 12 बजे वो उठती थी, और वो भी उसका जो लैप डॉग जो है उसको एक लिक से जगाता था. When she open eyes, first read love letter. Most amusing is vocabulary. Then Belinda goes straight to her dressing room, the number of cosmetics on the table, the whole procedure of preparing the toilet is a great style on the fashionable ladies of his time. Puff powder, patches, Bible and billiard dogs are all in same line. यानी कि यहाँ पर उनकी कॉस्मेटिक्स की चीज़ें थी वो ना डिफरेंट बॉक्सेस में थी. उन्हीं कॉस्मेटिक के एक बॉक्स में बाइबल भी थी. And then she repairs her smile, awaken everyone grace. And for the ladies of the 18th century, the holy book, cosmetics, and love letters are equally important. Beauty is more important rather than morals for these ladies. Pop ridiculed ladies pretending to be sick and wearing a new costly dress to receive visitor. And women are jealous of each other, and not only men not only men and women. Poet has also satirized the system of justice and the judges. At 4 in the afternoon, judges hurriedly sign the sentence so that they could have their dinner in time. This is their sense of responsibility. The hungry judges uh, soon the sentence sign and wretches hanged at jurymen may dine. मतलब they don't care about that कि कौन से बदकिस्मत लोग जो हैं वो हैंग हो रहे हैं. इवन दे डोंट डिज़र्व दिस. उनको अपनी मतलब जो है खाने पीने की ज़्यादा फिक्र थी ज़्यादा दैन कि वो अपने जो है वो टास्क यानी कि अपने जुडिशल सिस्टम को अपनी परफॉर्मेंस रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी से सरंजाम दें. Coffee drinking and game of amber are principal ceremonies of these people. So in that way he has satirized the whole society, whole London society. People were busy in cheapest act rather than morality. So the Alexander Pope has truly satirized the London society in a very amusing way. It's enough for today. I hope you would like it. Thank you so very much.